Welcome to iPhone Insider. Today, let's explore the stunning features of Apple's most powerful phone yet, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. At first glance, the iPhone 15 Pro Max impresses with its aerospace-grade titanium body. It's lighter, yet stronger, giving you a premium feel in your hands. The new contoured edges make it more comfortable to hold, and the refined colors add to its elegance. One of the biggest highlights is the all-new A17 Pro chip. This 3-nanometer powerhouse delivers unmatched performance, perfect for gaming, multitasking, and running the most demanding apps. It's also incredibly power efficient, giving you longer battery life. The camera system takes a giant leap forward. The 48-megapixel main camera now offers a 5x telephoto zoom, exclusive to the Pro Max, for incredibly sharp close-ups. Night mode, Smart HDR5, and enhanced portrait photography make every shot professional grade. Apple has also replaced the mute switch with the new action button. You can customize it to launch the camera, record a voice memo, or perform other quick actions with just one press. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports USB-C with USB 3 speeds, allowing super fast data transfers. Perfect for photographers and video creators. And of course, it runs on iOS 17, bringing new features like contact posters, name drop, and interactive widgets right to your home screen. With its premium design, unmatched power, and next-level camera, the iPhone 15 Pro Max isn't just a phone, it's the ultimate smartphone experience. So, are you ready to go pro?